My first impression is it looks like it was done with the traditional, painting, the ink, the Chinese watercolor, whatever the traditional thing is. let's, I mean, I think it looks, I like the mood of it. Looks very kind of classical fantasy type, kind of like little, it's moody. I like it. Let's see.
I feel calm when I look at it. It's kind of keep out the feeling of like a Western style and Eastern style mixing together. The horse, the figure of the horse is really stylized, and I really like it that you elongate it, like the leg of it.
Okay, my first impression about this painting, it looks like it's about two friends looking off into the distance.
Well, I personally like minimal color styles. I like the red and the black and the white, and I don't know. I guess let's see. I mean, like, it's the Yellow River. I'm assuming that it's more yellow than blue, so that's probably right. So I think that works. Let's see. I mean, like I think the only thing I could say, like the sky seems to be about the same color as the water, but like if it's like kind of if it's at sunset because it seems close to the horizon, then that kind of blends together. So that's probably fine.
Yeah.
And I mean, I like the minimalist color, so it seems to go with the theme. I guess maybe this being black, I'm not quite sure what it is up front. Like maybe it's a rock, or maybe it's like part of another horse that I'm looking behind. I think that's the only thing, because it's also black, and it's like that black is like the ground and also the horses. I'm not quite sure what the front element is. If I'm looking at like, is it like if it's a hill or if it's more land or something.
But for the color, I think like the midground, you can push it up a little, because right now I can only see like two values, the black and white. And
what do I think about the colors? I like that they are monochromatic, but yet still have a pop of color. I don't see places where it needs to be improved.
Let's see. Well, it's square, so I mean, we're used to deal with like why it's very square. So let's see. I mean, if you have the rule of thirds thing, I guess I think that if this is the water and that's the sun, if they're right on the horizon, or if there's more water between them and the sun, so it seems like the reflection should go further out to the sun.
Yeah.
And I don't know, maybe put a few birds like over here or something, so they're not just all in the same place. But other than that, it seems fine.
I think the composition is working, but there's too much negative space, and the value of like the two people on the horse is like dark, and it's as dark as the stone, so it's kind of like bring it closer to the eye more than it should have.
Yeah.
So it's like maybe like desaturated, and I think it will work.
Yeah.
I really like how it get like look into the sun, maybe like move it closer to around here, so it's like let the negative space around here do the job.
And the composition, I like that there's a focal point. So you have the sun and then the two people on horseback. And I would like probably something in the foreground if I could see a place of improvement.